Hey.
This is the Junior Birdman song. Quiet in the audience, please. Up in the air is Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. When you hear your doorbell ringing, ding dong, and you get your wings of tin, shiny, so shiny. Then you know, Junior Birdman, that you sent your box tops in. It takes 5 labels, 4 premiums, 3 coupons, 2 box tops, and 1 thin dime. Up in the air is Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. Now, would you like to repeat after me?
Sure do.
Yeah! Give me a louder number. Say repeat after me, make sure you have room. All right. Up in the air is Junior Birdman. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air is Junior Birdman. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. I sang that all wrong. Upside down. So we're gonna start over, and that happens with children. You just make it really exciting. All right, so here we go, line by line. Up in the air is Junior Birdman. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. When you hear the doorbell ringing, ding dong. When you hear the doorbell ringing, ding dong. And you get your wings of tin shiny. And you get your wings of tin shiny. Then you know you sent your box tops in. Then you know you sent your box tops in. It takes 5 labels. It takes 5 labels. 4 premiums. 4 premiums. 3 coupons. 3 coupons. 2 box tops. 2 box tops. And 1 thin dime. And a 1 thin dime. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. And then you sing it all together, which we're going to do in a moment. But first, to make your Birdman glasses, have your girls go like so. So, pointer finger, 2 thumb, both hands, like a B and a D. And then they take them, and they roll them back over their eyes, like so. And everyone looks real awesome. All right, here we go. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. When you hear the doorbell ringing, ding dong, and you get your wings of tin shiny, then you know, Junior Birdman, you sent your box tops in. No. It takes 5 labels, 4 premiums, 3 coupons, 2 box tops, and 1 thin dime. Up in the air, Junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Is it a bird, a plane, or Superman? No, it's Junior Birdman, upside down. And you see it, we had a little flunder through there. But you just keep rolling with it. Because it's like, when you hear your doorbell ringing, and you get your wings of tin, then you know, Junior Birdman, that you sent your box tops in. 5 labels. Label has 5 letters. Label, 5. 4 premiums. Premium's just the other weird word that's in there. I just put it at 4.
The abbreviation for premium?
3. There you go. 3 coupons, C, third letter in the alphabet, 2 box tops, 2 words, and 1 thing dying. That's how I remember it anyways. Best of luck on that one, it's really fun though.